Unit 1. My New School. Page 8. A Closer Look. 1. Vocabulary. Activity 1. Listen and repeat the words.
School lunch. English. History. Homework. Exercise. Science. Football. Lessons. Music.
Calculator. Compass. Pencil case. Pencil sharpener. Rubber. School bag.
Now, let's have a look at the and sound. We'll start with the sound. The sound is a long sound, so remember to pronounce it long and tense. Also, the sound is a monophthong, which means that the shape of your mouth doesn't change when you make this sound. Now, let's do it together, okay? Step 1. Open your mouth quite deep. Step 2. Put your tongue into the lowest position in the mouth. Step 3. Relax your lips. And step 4. Make the sound long and tense. Ah. Heart, heart. Mark, mark. Garden, garden. All right, let's have a look at how to pronounce the short sound. The sound is a monophthong as well, so that means that your mouth shape doesn't change when you make this sound. Also, it's a short vowel sound, so remember to pronounce it short and relaxed. Listen to me making this sound. For the sound, my mouth is not as open as the sound. Also, my tongue is lifted a little bit and pulled to the back. My lips are relaxed and I make the sound short and relaxed. Now, let's make it together, all right? Step 1. Open your mouth, but not as open as the sound. Step 2. Lift your tongue a little bit and pull it back. Step 3. Relax your lips. And step 4. Make the sound short and relaxed. Up. Much. Much. Other. Other. Nothing. Nothing. Excellent work.
Unit 1. My New School. Page 8. A Closer Look. 1. Pronunciation.
and
Activity 4. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the sounds and
1. Smart. art. Carton. Class. 2. Subject. Study. Monday. Compass.